What's going on, guys? Code expert here, and in the previous tutorial we have covered all of the basics and the references for this tutorial series, and in this tutorial we will start building our AI agent application. All right, so before that, let me tell you two things. First one is that if you want to have a real-time support with the VAKX team, then I recommend you to go to this Discord channel over here and join this Discord channel. And the team is really supportive and they will help you out for your queries. Also, you can try the AI assistant if you have any doubts and want to solve your doubts with the AI. All right. The another cool feature that I liked about this studio is the feature request over here. So if you click on this bulb icon here, they have a submit feature request. So the VAKX team is actually developing this studio actively, and if you have any specific request for the feature, then you can just type it over here and click on the submit. All right, so let's move forward with our AI agent tutorial. And in this tutorial we will create a simple prompt and add the data that is needed for our AI agent to work. All right, so if you go into this tab over here called prompt playground, you can see that we have the button over here called create prompt. And guys, if you if you want to know about the prompts, then I recommend you to go to the docs over here and to the VAKX school, and in the LLM orchestration you have this prompt engineering. So prompt is actually a context or instructions that you're going to give to the LLM, and these are the instructions that are given in the normal human language. All right, so you don't need to write a code or anything. Everything is handled on the back end, and you have just to give the instructions on the human language. All right, so let's move forward with creating the prompt. So I will click on this create prompt, and we are going to build this AI agent for a startup or a food delivery app called Food Sprint. So I will type something like Food Sprint prompt and then click on create prompt, and you can see that we have multiple options over here. This is the system prompt, that is the main prompt that we have, but we are not going to use this system prompt in this tutorial. Instead, there is a section called add rack context over here, and I will click on this add context, and you can see that if you click on this config over here, they have few prompts templates over here, and we will select the default one, which is follow context with some creativity. And if you look into this instructions over here, so you are a helpful AI assistant and begin response with polite greeting when needed and maintain friendly and conversational tone, and all of these instructions are given over here. You are welcome to read all of these things. So by adding this prompt, we are actually telling our AI to act as per the instructions given in this prompt. All right, so if you want a specific thing, the AI to work, then just hit enter and type your own instruction over here. You don't have to be technical, just write in the human language and AI will understand everything. For this tutorial we will just follow with this default template over here and click save, and click save over here, and we are done with the instructions now. And now let's go to the tutorial over here from wiki.vakx.io and scroll down, and we have these three files over here: foodsprint.md, foodsprint underscore menu.md, and foodsprint underscore structure.csv. So there are two different types of files over here. One is MD file and one is CSV file. So click on these files to download these files, and you will get .txt file, and make sure that you change this extension to .md. All right, this is important for uploading the file. Just save these files and convert it into the .md file. So you can see over here, guys, that you have this hashes over here. So this is the single hash, this is double hash, and if you're a non-technical person, let me explain it to you what it is actually. These are the headings, all right. This is the H1 heading 1, this is the H2 heading 2, and these are the sections from this heading, all right. So this heading 1 section covers this heading 2 section as well, and this heading 1 section covers all of these heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3 sections, and the next section starts over here. So what actually the AI does is that it when you feed this information to the AI, it will automatically chop down this file into the subsections over here, different subsections, and when you ask anything to the AI, it will retrieve one of these sections based on your query and answer the question based on this context. All right, so I recommend, if you want to change anything, or if you're developing AI for your own business application, then you follow this naming convention. All right, so hash 1, double hash, and all of these things, because this will boost your AI's efficiency and it will give you um, nice results. All right, and the next one is the CSV file over here. It has some structured format, and it is used to actually generate the structured result that we saw in the first tutorial. All right, so the structured file looks something like this. It has a few headings over here called title, image, and then the price, the description, and the URL. So these are the required parameters for this file, and restaurant name and type is not really required for generating the structured embeddings, but URL, description, price, image, and title, so these are the required parameters. All right, so once you download these files, let's now move on to the studio and click on this data store tab over here. And in the markdown files, create a new folder called Footprint MD, and create a folder over here, and click on this and click on upload files to upload the files that are downloaded right now. Alright, so these are the two MD files that are downloaded. So I will open these files and upload them, and go to the CSV files and create a new folder called Footprint CSV, and in this folder click on the upload files and upload the footprint underscore structured file. Alright, so you're done with the data over here. In the next tutorial, we will use this data to create custom embeddings so that they can be used for your custom knowledge base in your AI agent. So I hope you guys are excited about this, and I'm excited as well. So let's move on to the next tutorial and start building our AI agent. So let's meet in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.